how to add Instagram audio calendar in your contact option on your profile on your Instagram account. Of course, today guys I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram. Then as you see, when your Instagram it's open and you go down and you open your profile, then you go to edit profile, and after this you go to you go down and you go to contact option, and then you go to Instagram audio calendar and click. Then you will turn on and then click save. You will display this, okay, and click save, and I will back to my profile, and then as you see option call, it's here. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful and helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.